How to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. First of all, open up the twitter.com website in your web browser. Once you get into your account, tap on your profile icon from the top left corner. Then scroll down in your profile and tap on Settings and Support. After that, tap on the Settings and Privacy option from here. Now scroll down in Settings and tap on Privacy and Safety. Then click on Content you see from your activity. After that, tap on Display media that may contain sensitive content. You can take that option to turn on the sensitive content. Or if you want to uncheck that option, you can turn off the sensitive content of Twitter. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.